Water damage in your home can happen suddenly, from a burst pipe, leaking appliance, or a flooded basement. And the longer moisture remains, the greater the risk of structural damage and mold growth. Residential water damage restoration in Centerville focuses on safely removing water, thoroughly drying affected areas, and restoring materials like flooring, drywall, and carpets. A professional restoration team uses specialized equipment to detect hidden moisture and prevent long-term damage that may not be visible right away. This process helps protect your home's structure, improve indoor air quality, and return your living space to a safe and comfortable condition. Homeowners in Centerville often rely on experienced restoration professionals who understand local conditions and respond quickly when water damage occurs. The goal is simple: restore your home carefully, minimize disruption, and help you move forward with confidence. Visit our website to learn more.